Charlie, how old are you?
5.
Where are we?
7.
And who's here?
Grandpa.
And who else?
Grandpa.
And else?
Mom and Dad.
And who's the furry friend we have?
Poppy.
Poppy.
A boy?
He's got his shoes on.
Wow.
I didn't get my shoes for this.
Someone got my shoes. Loving life.
A big rock. See it? Oh, two adults.
Yeah.
No problem. But like in the morning,
We're coming.
when we go for a walk, he'll be like, "Morning, how are you?" To like the old scary looking man with the big beard.
But kids, he's like,
Covered in tattoos.
gotcha. You want this rock?
Remember, he only weighs 40 pounds.
Oh yeah, that must be tough on him.
I weigh 200 and it pushes me. Like right here, you feel it pretty decent.
Here, let me get your let go. Can I let go?
Yeah, let him go.
Okay.
You can stand. Oh yeah.
You don't want it?
Not right now. I'm going to water.
Oh,
Do you want my sunglasses too?
I can hold them.
No, it's okay.
Does this thing just turn off on its own, Grant? Oh, no, it's still going. Ah! Come here! Come on!
Yeah, that's exactly what I was going for. That.
Come on! Good girl!
Oh, you want me to pull you?
How you doing?
Doing good. Beauty day. Water's nice.
You do it. Let's go. Okay, ready? How far are we going?
Oh, like he wants to go.
How far are we going?
I don't know. How far did you guys go?
Until we couldn't walk forwards anymore.
Yeah? Oh, you mean out? Was it? Why?
Well, once you start floating, it's fine, but it feels faster. Move here. Keep going. Okay, ready?
Wait for Mom! Ah! Mom, come on! I can't wait! I can't just go! I don't even know what I'm feeling!
Bottom disappeared.
I don't know if I'm filming you or me. I think
All of a sudden, the bottom just disappeared.
give me. Holy shit. Oh my god.
You said a very hot 360.
That's a long handle.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Where's that handle?
Cheers the camera
Oh,
Cheers.
with your lollipop.
Chin chin.
Ah!
what? I need a lighter. Happy birthday. You can
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to
Handle
you.
this one.
Want to take a bite or no?
Can I take a bite?
Not yet?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you.
What do you wish for?
wish.
Don't make a wish. No, don't wish. Say it out loud. Blow it out.
I wish for I had
Popcorn.
no.
A pickle.
No.
Chinese food. A dolphin.
No. I wish I had a trampoline.
Ow, ant just bit me.
Charlie, cross your legs down like you did.
Woohoo!
Was that you?
Charles, what were your rules?
What is? People just
Oh,
start pulling
fun, fun. Charlie.
It's so moist, it like suction.
Oh my god, it's
Dad, if you get the sauce,
temperature,
and you eat the
What did you just say, babe?
and you wouldn't eat, and you eat it back and you wouldn't
Go walk over, Rex. For a pizzeria.
Bobby and his little
Because I was seeing the remix and you would know the lyrics.
So cool.
I know.
How cool are you? Skill
More
on
than you,
10.
that's for sure.
Cool kids. Okay, you want to do 2 more?
Can I do one?
Could Sarah do the other one?
Dangerous, Sarah?
Girls can't do it.
Yeah, really
Only Charles.
It's really dangerous for me.
no.
Can Mom do it?
Holy!
Okay, yeah, you can do the next one. You do that halfway through.
Okay, come
Yeah,
here.
I got her.
Come here.
Watch Shauna.